Hey there, fellow webmasters. Christian here from RackNerd, and today we have some exciting news to share with you all. We've just expanded our cryptocurrency payment options with the integration with Coinify. You can also read our official announcement on our blog. The link will be in the description down below this video, so check it out soon for more details. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, we're going to talk about it. With this new integration, we are now accepting over 30 different types of cryptocurrencies as payment for our services. That's right, you heard me right, over 30. From the ever popular Bitcoin and Ethereum to less popular gems like Tron and Polygon, we've got you covered. But here's the kicker: we've listened to your feedback and made sure to include highly requested options like USDT, TRC20. This means faster confirmations and lower fees for you guys, making your payment experience smoother than ever before. Now let's talk about the payment process itself. With our integration with Coinify, we've made it as simple as possible. No more complicated wallet connections or confusing steps. You can either scan your QR code or copy the wallet details directly. It's quick, it's easy, and it is hassle-free. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Why not give it a shot yourself? In fact, let me show you how easy it is. So let me share my screen and let me show you how it works. Alright, so here we are on the RackNerd website. I'm just going to select a plan that suits my needs, and eventually let's proceed to checkout. So as you can see, we've got the options to pay with cryptocurrencies right here. Let's click on that, and here you have it. We're redirected to Coinify, where we can choose our preferred cryptocurrency and complete the payment, and it should be self-explanatory after that. Well, that's really all there is to it. Simple, straightforward, and secure. So why not give it a try yourself? And I hope you are as excited about this as I am. Remember, if you are in need of hosting solutions or just want to learn more about what we offer, head on over to RackNerd.com. Until next time, happy hosting.